Alright guys, today I'm going to be hunting a squirrel, and it's going to be a catch and kill, kill and cook. Using Crosman F4. Let's go see if we can get one. Okay. So, hopefully next time you see me, it's going to be shooting at a squirrel. Whoa, I just found some bones. Right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? Oh yeah. Dude. Ow, it's backbone. Probably from a deer or something. Ow. Poke.
It's meant to This is Mixlaw Production.
Alright guys. Hey guys, first squirrel ever, and it's all on film, so let's skin this bad boy up and eat him. Sweet. We're gonna cook him up right now, skin him, do all the necessary stuff. He was harassing some birds, so yeah. Got him with this F4 1200 FPS. So yeah, got him. Hopefully you could see how I got him. So we're gonna cook him up now and skin him. I need to go get my knife.
It's Mixlaw on the beat.
was alive probably half an hour ago, and I already took some pieces out of it, like bites. They're pretty good. But so I just seared it, and then I put it in the oven for like a few minutes, and yeah. So let's get ourselves a piece. It's pretty good. There's another squirrel, but I'm not going to shoot it because I have enough. I guess there's more squirrels here now. I could definitely kill it right now. Easy. Just can't, it's behind the trees. But I can go there and kill it really fast. Turning across. Well, I don't need it. And, yeah. But this is really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys could see how I killed it. And, yeah. I'll see you on the next video. See ya.